hotcakes, y'all. Stop playing, man. For real. Okay, stop playing. Look at that shit. That shit that you know, y'all already know me, man. Y'all know me, man. You did. I show y'all. You did. I ain't no hater. Say, what time, nigga? I want to show all y'all, hey, how we pop out. But I'm gonna show y'all facts on facts. I'm not. Watch this shit, y'all. Look at my other channel, y'all. Look at my other channel, how we rocking like stockings, y'all. Y'all see that shit? Yeah. Cooking with love and more. We rocking like stocking. You see that? 20. Yes, sir. 20 what? 84K. Yeah. And it's that me. That me. That surely that me. Ah, dog, that's me. Yeah, y'all ain't playing no game, man. I be trying to tell y'all, man. Y'all better get that YouTube studio. No cap, no cap, no cap. Yeah, man, that me. Hey, y'all, that's me. Look at me. Oh, that's me, y'all. Ain't that something? Yeah, look at that boy. What? That K cooking with love ain't playing no games. Y'all see it? So, yo, man, say y'all. Do you pop out, y'all? We ain't playing no games, y'all. What? Look at that. Boy, say Cooking with Love be doing this damn thing over there. Cooking with Love be doing this thing. Look at that. Look at him. Look at that shit. Ooh, we. Damn. Ain't this some looking good? That look delicious. Yeah, that boy be drop. Ooh, I'm about to drop that shit. That shit look good. Ooh. You did what he say? Oh Lord, that boy eating good over there, y'all. What it do, boy? Cooking with love ain't playing. But say y'all, I told y'all to get this channel popping. I tried to tell y'all, man. Say that bitch y'all know finna be at 21K. It ain't even is it the first year? I don't know. It ain't even the first year. And I'm already finna hit a K. Pop out right there. We ain't playing no game, man. I try to tell y'all, man. Be your channel. That's what it's about, man. Be in your channel, man. Wherever I go, I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna drop that shit, unraw, uncut. So hey, y'all, get ready. Feel like making another channel? I might make another one. Who gives a fuck? What? What? If you can make how many channels? It's still gonna be what you. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all, man. If you being yourself, man, you could drop this shit and be yourself. Why? This is entertainment. Entertainment. They gonna watch it anywhere it goes. One hater can't stop a show. One monkey can't stop no show. We gonna keep on rolling. Them boys gonna keep on rolling. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. It's like when you shine, man. They can't hate you, man. Didn't I tell y'all that? Didn't I tell y'all that? When you shine, you shine. Haters can't fuck with you, man. That's what you shit on them haters, man. Like, damn, man. This shit ain't nothing but entertainment, man. It is. I got about 3, 4, 5, 20 channels. This still gonna be me. On raw, uncut, baby. Drop that shit. You did. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Motherfucker wanna pop about one channel. Bitch, channel ain't shit. You can make that dime a dozen. You did. Check me out. We ain't playing no games, y'all. Put it in their face. We ain't playing no games. Watch out, was going up. Yeah, I'm gonna get this channel. I told y'all, man, it's like New Year, new shit. I told y'all thought I was bullshit. New Year, new shit. Yeah, y'all blowing for crazy. I told y'all, I tried to tell y'all, New Year, new shit. I already knew Cooking with Love gonna hit that 20K, y'all. So I'm like, man, once I hit that 20K, I'm gonna show love on Mother's channel, go on here and get that baby back popping. I try to tell y'all, man. So I tried to tell you, but it's all good. We back, baby. Dropping like hotcakes. Being myself. And watch this bitch do numbers too, y'all. Watch. Bam. Love your haters, y'all. Love your haters. That's what give you motivation. You did. So yeah, game on game on game. Ain't nothing changed, y'all. We finna raise the roof.